Here's a 2015 Cadillac ATS sedan. With its masterful blend of power, handling, and luxury, this ATS sedan was built for the enthusiastic driver. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, active grille shutters, V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, Cadillac Q external memory control, power tilting steering column, sport suspension, ultrasonic park assist, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Edmunds.com points out the balance the ATS exhibits comes via a 50-50 weight distribution and well-tuned standard FE2 suspension, including Cadillac's first ever 5-link independent rear setup. Cadillac is driving the world forward. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call, click, or stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located just off Route 9 East at 350 Worcester Road.